Hi friends, today I am drawing Bluey catching a balloon. While waiting for the drawing to be finished, let me tell you a story. Up so high, bright and soon, will Bluey catch the flying balloon? Did it float away or dance with the breeze? Guess with me now before we see with ease. One sunny morning, Bluey spotted a shiny red balloon drifting across the yard. Her eyes grew wide. I need to catch it before it flies too far. Clap your hands 3 times and pretend you see it float above your head. Bingo skipped beside her. Run, Bluey, run. Bluey stretched her arms high and leaped. The balloon slipped away, dancing on the air. Can you tiptoe as tall as you can, just like Bluey reaching for the sky? Mum stepped out with a basket of laundry. She watched and smiled. Think clever, Bluey. Maybe not only running. Bluey nodded, tapping her chin as if planning. Pretend you are thinking too. Place your finger on your cheek and whisper. Dad appeared, carrying a wooden chair. Climb up, mate, this will help, he said warmly. Bluey climbed the chair, reaching high. Now stretch your arms again, hold your breath, almost there. But the breeze pushed the balloon farther, right over the mango tree. Oh no, cried Bluey. She jumped down and ran again. Can you run in place for 5 seconds as if chasing the balloon too? Bingo joined, holding her little paws up. I'll help you, Bluey. Together they chased it toward the tree. The balloon floated lower, brushing a branch. Pretend you are holding a balloon in your hands. Keep it safe, don't let it pop away. With a final leap, Bluey grabbed the string. I caught it, she cheered, hugging the red balloon tight. Bingo clapped with joy. Mum and Dad clapped too. Sing along with me. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Stories will flow, bright and magical. Bluey twirled with her balloon, spinning in a happy circle. Try spinning slowly where you are, just like her dance. The balloon glowed against the sunset sky. Warm light touched Bluey's face and she felt proud. Family makes every game brighter, Bluey whispered. Bingo leaned close, nodding in agreement. As the day grew calm, Bluey waved her paw. Goodbye, friends, she said gently. The family sat together in the soft evening, and the balloon floated peacefully, like a lullaby in the sky.